Good morning, real estate. So, another day for your lingkod here in Cabadbaran City, here in Agusan del Norte. So, I want to show to you another exclusive listing here in Cabadbaran. So, doon lagi kayo siya guys sa Belia Hermosa. That is a national highway already na diha. More or less 300 meters or 400 meters from here. So national highway na ang gasoline station o 7-Eleven and then the Villahermosa. Then doon na po siya sa public market here in Cabadbaran. And then the subject property guys na for sale here. This is the right of way. Then few steps lang on the next of that house, mo na siyang subject, ang likod ng house mo na ang subject property. So na siya ay kalsada. Don't worry for the construction of the kanang property if may plano ang buyer nga mag-build og potential siya guys for residential, commercial like apartment, boarding house, pwede sad siya budiga sa mga negosyante nga naghanap og property here in Cabadbaran City. The property guys has a 492 square meter lot area, very clean title. So if interested mo og naghanap mong property here in Cabadbaran, message lang ko ninyo or my team to assess to you for the property for the viewing. So thank you for watching.